Is this year's wildly important goal, your WIG, to improve productivity or drive down cost? The reality is that every business always has to be doing both to remain competitive and relevant in our world of fast technological change. It's knowing how to pull off both that can sometimes be a challenge. As technology continues to march forward, with the proper expertise, business process, and execution plan, there are lots of opportunities to increase productivity while reducing cost in sustainable ways, resulting in a healthier bottom line. Where can we help, and why do we believe there is so much opportunity to improve productivity and reduce costs in a parts manufacturing environment? Lack of specialized expertise has resulted in a significant degree of process variability that's keeping you from maximizing your bottom line. It's this variability in key performance metrics that affects productivity and drives costs in the wrong direction. Let me explain. The day-to-day condition of fluids used to support the manufacturing process is extremely dynamic. There are dozens of factors that impact both key performance metrics as well as key costing metrics related to fluid condition. Extrapolate this variability across the many standalone systems that exist in a manufacturing environment, and the total net impact on the facility can be significant. By measuring and taking timely corrective action on the variables that impact both cost and performance, the facility sees a significant improvement in OEE and begins to optimize its fluid consumption and waste generation rates. Timely corrective action based on data also becomes the impetus for continuous improvement, since as more and more factors are identified and cause and effect becomes better understood, it becomes possible to optimize the current process and identify other CI opportunities. Without data-driven decision-making, a facility is forced to continue to either react to situations with expensive and often invasive procedures, i.e. a dump and change, or rely on time-based systems to manage their performance and cost, i.e. time-based PMs. Assess how well your plant is currently managing the factors that impact performance and cost related to the maintained condition of your process fluids. By identifying high degrees of condition volatility due to the more than a dozen factors that could impact fluid condition over time, and we can identify substantial cost reduction and performance improvement opportunities by first establishing control and then systematically and deliberately driving continuous improvement based on data and performance metrics. Our process variability audit takes a snapshot of the facility to determine a profile of your systems to identify which ones are in the waste zone, the risk zone, or the target zone. By driving up the percentage of systems in the target zone over time, costs are optimized and the risk of fluid-related events or process erosion that impacts OEE are minimized. The process variability audit is a fast and easy way to identify the potential. Knowledge is power. Know for sure if fluid condition is hurting your bottom line. Follow the link below to learn more about our process variability audit. Thank you.